A change of leadership took place at the Philippine Navy today. President Aquino was the main guest during the change of command ceremony at the Philippine Navy headquarters. Vice Admiral Jose Luis Alano assumed this post as Navy Chief, replacing Vice Admiral Alexander Pama, who has retired. Rocky Ignacio filed this report.
President Aquino led the change of command and retirement ceremony of the Philippine Navy. Vice Admiral Jose Luis Alano is the new Philippine Navy's flag officer in command, replacing Vice Admiral Alexander Pama upon retirement from the service. The President's marching orders to the new FOIC: protect the people in need during calamities, secure country's sovereignty, and intensify measures against terrorism. Vice Admiral Alano is the 33rd flag officer in command of the Philippine Navy.
Sikapin mong gabayan at suportahan ang bawat kalalakihan at kababaihan ng Philippine Navy, mula sa mga mandaragat ng Philippine Fleet hanggang sa mga mandarigma ng Philippine Marine Corps.
The President also lauded the Philippine Navy's disaster response operations. He said, despite lack of modern equipment, rescuers were able to save more than 26,000 calamity victims this year. But the President assured the dark past of antiquated equipment in the Armed Forces of the Philippines has ended under the revised AFP Modernization Act. Under the revised law, the government allotted 75 billion pesos to be implemented within 5 years. Aside from modern facilities, President Aquino also assured additional benefits for the Philippine Navy like housing projects.
Paano mo naman may papagtanggol ang iyong kapwa kung puro mga dekating na bangka at maliliit at kinakalawang na barko ang inaasahan niya? Tapos na po ang yugtong ito. Dahil sa inyong pagpupursikit tapang, dahil sa kahandaan ninyong manindigan para sa ating teritoryo at karapatan, maaari na tayong humurap sa kahit sino at ipagsigawang Philippine Navy ako, Pilipino ako, marangal at matatag.
Meanwhile, President Aquino recognized retired Officer Pama for his dedication in placing new mechanism to upgrade the capabilities of the Philippine Navy. The President said that the government is not ready to lose such good public servant like him. He insinuated that he might need Pama to serve again in government service.
At ni minsan hindi nagpalusot at pag may mali, hinako ang pagkakamali at itinuwid agaran. Kaya po, Mrs. Pama, please enjoy your well-deserved rest from a grateful nation. We will get back to you in 2 months after your break because I think the country will not be served properly if we do not try and keep him in government. At sa atin naman paalala lang, kay Vice Admiral Alano, talagang malaki ang mga sapatos na susubok mong punuin. Yun ho yung negative side. Yung upside naman, tila mas konti na yung bubunuin dahil nga iniwan sa iyo, di hamak mas maganda kaysa tinatan.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.